now wearing my Jane set, dedicated to my wonderful Booker at Chic Models, who looks after me immeasurably, and I thought it was nice to name one after her. I actually name all my designs after beautiful girls in my life, my sister, my loved ones, my family, which is a nice thing to be able to do, to dedicate each set after them for their particular style and how they roll. And this is the Jane.